Hello everyone, welcome to another video along with my daughter.
Hello.
Marion. We have received a Craft Buddy order. They were on Create and Craft the other day and I decided I would notice. This is the free gift that came with it. It's a card. Snowman.
Is that the... Oh, I was going to say I thought there was some other designs on the... I didn't know if it was just that one though.
There are the ones that you can get. That's
I like
champagne.
I like the champagne one.
Yeah, they're card kits, those ones. But they do lots of other things as well. And there isn't a picture, but it will be a nativity scene. So we'll take it out and we'll have a look. Once we get it out, we'll not get it back in again, will we?
So that's the struggle we had with the...
Oh, the stars.
That I had with the... You might not be putting it back into this bag actually, because it's
ripping it, isn't it?
Yeah, the stars caught it, so I just so that it doesn't break through. Don't have it.
You can show.
Here is the base where you can create your nativity scene. Ooh, it's nice that they have the picture at the side, you know, there next to all the crystals.
That's what it will look like.
This is the biggest piece, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the main piece with a donkey and what animal is that one?
Well, it's a cow, a horned cow.
Something like that. I'm not quite sure. That's the stables, isn't it?
Yeah. That's that one. And then you have the angel Gabriel. One of the three wise men. Another that one. And then you have Joseph. Mary. A shepherd. And last, baby Jesus in his manger.
Smallest piece.
The smallest piece. And there's a lot of lovely colours of crystals. Let's oh no, they're all the different ones. They're a brown. There's that one. Hopefully we'll get this done in time for Christmas. You watching what we do?
You're probably wondering what all the noise is.
Yeah, disturbing his sleep. That's all of them. But you're going to help me do this one, aren't you?
Yeah, what was the name of that one called?
Oh, the deer one.
Yeah, where it has 2 trees, 2 deer, and then it says Xmas. I've done some of the pieces. And then
You'll see it on a previous video.
and then the baby deer I've done, and I'm starting the I've almost finished this little section here. I've just got a few more to put in, but this is the smaller of the 2 trees. I've got 2 letters left, the bigger tree and the adult deer left to do.
So
Because what was it?
not yesterday.
The day before, I sat down and just kind of got into the flow of it, and then just carried on.
You'll have to show it on your.
Yeah, I'll show it. There's the base. I'll show it properly on my channel.
Yeah, 'cause it looks like that's going to be your project, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it was going to be shared, but then I've gotten so into it, I kind of want to just finish it.
Yeah. You carry on.
Yep.
I'm still beating you though.
I know, that's so unfair. Yeah.
We're in competition with each other to see who can do the most diamond paintings throughout the year.
I was doing so well and I failed so dramatically. I know it's not the end of the year, but I'm kind of failing very dramatically at the moment, so. Did you do a video on that? Oh, I didn't touch the power bit because I remember I can't turn that off.
I don't remember.
I've got the it's a LED diamond painting. I've done one side. I don't want to touch the LED part because every time I turn it on, I can't turn it off. I have to give it to you for you to turn it off because it just keeps going through all the different settings for me and doesn't turn off. But I've done one side. I did that in, how long did it take me to do that?
Oh, about 40 minutes.
But I'll do a video on that as well on my channel.
Yeah. We'll put a link in the description box to Marion's channel, and
I have a lot of diamond painting projects though. I don't think I've done a video of my Spitfire on my channel yet, which I'm gonna do. So I'll probably do that later on in the week, and then the video will be up at some point this week. But I've done quite a lot for because it is a big diamond painting. It was my birthday present for my 19th.
Yeah.
And I was so excited about it because I have a fascination with Spitfires. It's like, so I've done quite a lot for how big it is, but I just, we've got a bramble guest.
The other cat.
The other one.
Oh, you can just see him.
Yeah, he featured predominantly in my Vlogmas last year, didn't he?
He did.
It was Biscuit, I think, day 2, and then Bramble, you know, was coming in, and if he wasn't sitting on my lap, he was on the chair that was just behind me on the corner, just sleeping. But they do love to join us in our videos, don't they?
They do.
But yes, I have quite a lot of diamond painting projects, but I'm excited to sit down with you and do that one.
Yeah, it's going to be good, that one.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to like sort of split doing the bigger piece together and do it half and half.
Yeah. I think it's 9 individual pieces altogether in the nativity. So
that's your third one of like the kind of setup ones we have, but you can set it up.
Yeah.
Because of the one that's on the mantelpiece just over there.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking forward to having all these done for Christmas. So,
where are you going to put them?
Don't know.
That's always the question when it comes to the diamond painting. Is like, where are we going to put them? Where are they going to like shine and look really beautiful within sort of the display?
Yeah,
you could put one of them over on that's the sideboard over there.
Yeah.
I suppose if you move the CD player, which is just directly in front of me, you could put one in the middle.
Yeah. It might look nice there as well. The nativity one might look nicer.
Mm-hmm. But I have a lot of diamond painting projects to do, and I have some videos of some of my ones that I have completed, so that'll be something to look forward to, as well as the other diamond painting content you'll make in the future.
Yeah.
Wow. I enjoyed being in this video. This is the first time I've been in one of your videos, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, nice.
Yeah. Have to do some more.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll see you again on the next one. Thank you for watching.